shades of 2005, I tell you, it was pouring with rain. Got out of the car and headed for cover, and one of the first things I found, some of the Bowden collection, they just rolled them out of the trailer. This is the famous Moffat Mustang, which blew everyone away in 1969 when Allan released this on the Australian public, straight from the States. It's Boss 302 5-litre V8, 485 horsepower per weapon. Next to the Moffat Mustang, we have this beast. It's the 1970 Australian Touring Car Champion winning car of Norm Beechy, 500 horsepower. It was pretty quiet until I heard this thunderous sound start up, and it was the Beechy Monaro, so I went up to check out what the Bowdens were up to. What a fantastic looking car the Moffat Mustang is. Plus it's got the sound to boot. What an awesome little. And this is the sweet sounds of Bob James Camaro. Hang on to your hats, folks. Here comes the Master Blasters. We're just checking them out in the dummy grid here. We've got Bob James Chevy Camaro, the Allan Moffat Mustang Trans Am, Norm Beechy Monaro GDS 350, the Geoghegan Super Falcon. Des Wall's got the original Pete Geoghegan Ford Mustang, John Goss XA Coupe, the Gossie XJS Jag, Murray Carter's XA Hardtop, also his GDHO, Grice's GDXU1 Tirana, and John Harvey's Tirana A9X. Well, I think they've added a few more in there amongst them, so it should be a good session for the Master Blasters. And that's KB driving the Norm Beechy Monaro, and driving the Moffat Mustang is Dan Bowden. And this mean looking car is Gossie's XA Falcon. Chris Bowden's driving the Geoghegan Super Falcon as we're just hitting turn 9 there. It's good to see KB along with Dan and Chris getting some good speed out of their cars, especially they're giving them heaps going down the straight. And I think the crowd also really appreciates to see them and to hear the sounds.
Coming around Corporate Hill, Bill Patterson at livery A9X L34, I beg your pardon, 4-door Tirana. That's his whole dealer team, went out on his own for a couple of years. The down behind us, please. Race 16. Yes, for the night area, thank you. Race the Norm Beechy car. It's the second appearance, came out last year at the Muscle Car Masters. 70 touring car champion. As Darren pointed out, first Holden to win the Australian Touring Car Championship. Also the first Australian car that was voted the greatest competition muscle car by Australian Muscle Car Magazine, ex-Gibson Motorsport cars for V8 supercars. I'll just clarify exactly which machine that is when I do my homework. Now, speaking of cars, now the last car off the track.
Well, there you go, folks. How about that? Look at some of these cars. These are all famous original race cars. It's not often you get a collection together like this. Thanks to the Muscle Car Masters, the public and everybody can have a good look at them.
Overly a spectacular machine and a car that really took it up to Moffat at Bathurst in 72. Yeah, super expensive.
If you have a look at the green, white and blue Tirana A9X just coming in, that's Gary Rogers driving that, and that's the exact car that he drove in 1979.
Titanium wheel nuts. That's the sort of thing they did to try and get weight out of the car, match it up. Back out here at 12:55 and also later this afternoon at 4:00. Very good, so